Welcome to our chapter-wise summary series on the power of your subconscious mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Today we're diving into Chapter 1, The Treasure House Within You, where it all begins. Dr. Murphy introduces us to the incredible power of the subconscious mind, calling it a treasure house full of endless possibilities. He explains that whatever you impress on your subconscious, through thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, will manifest in your life. Just like a seed planted in soil, your subconscious accepts the thought seeds you plant and grows them into results. The conscious mind is the watchman at the gate. It chooses what ideas are passed into the subconscious. The author shares real-life examples of people who healed themselves, gained success, and transformed their lives simply by reprogramming their inner beliefs. Let's say you constantly think, "I never have enough money." Your subconscious accepts that idea as truth, and your life reflects it. But if you begin saying, "Money flows to me easily and freely," and you truly believe it, your subconscious starts to work toward making that belief a reality through actions, intuition, and energy. That wraps up Chapter 1 of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. The journey into your inner world has just begun. In Chapter 2, we'll learn how the subconscious mind works and how to harness it even more effectively. Like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next part of this life-changing series.